Welcome to 101 Adobe Cove in Georgetown, Texas, a 1-acre hill country retreat with a sparkling pool, striking architecture, and a floor plan that's perfect for both everyday living and upscale entertainment. I'm Jan Daum, fortunate to be a realtor in Central Texas. Let's go have a look. As you arrive, you're at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in the Mission Oaks community. The home is on an acre corner lot with a 3-car garage. There is space, privacy, and that hill country feel while still being minutes from Georgetown's conveniences. The home features a stone and stucco exterior, full gutters, and a welcoming front porch that sets the tone for the warm, elevated design you'll see throughout. Step inside and you're greeted by an open, elegant floor plan with dramatic walls of windows that stretch from floor to ceiling, filling the home with natural light and framing views of the backyard oasis. Architectural ceiling beams add warmth and visual impact, and a soaring stone fireplace anchors the great room, creating a stunning yet inviting focal point for everyday living and entertaining. The gourmet kitchen is designed for both function and style, with granite counters, double kitchen islands, stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop, and a huge walk-in pantry. Whether you're hosting a crowd or enjoying a quiet night in, the open flow from kitchen to dining to living makes this space incredibly easy to live in and perfect for gatherings. This single-story home offers 4 bedrooms, including a luxurious primary suite, a dedicated guest suite with its own attached bath, and secondary bedrooms that share a beautiful Jack and Jill bathroom. There's also a half bath with a lovely mosaic tiled wall. The primary retreat is designed as a true escape with ample space, natural light, and access to a spa-like bath that includes a soaking tub, separate shower, and a generous walk-in closet. It's the kind of space where you'll actually look forward to beginning and ending your day. You'll also find a spacious game room and a home office, giving you flexibility for work from home, hobbies, or a media space, all within over 3,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed living area. There's also a mudroom and a large, cheerful laundry room. Step outside and the home's distinctive patio design beautifully unifies indoor and outdoor living, extending your livable space into the surrounding landscape. The backyard is a private retreat with a sparkling heated pool and spa and a beautifully crafted pergola, perfect for quiet mornings, lively gatherings, or evenings spent under the big Texas sky. So if you would like a private tour of 101 Adobe Cove in Georgetown, Texas, give me a call and let's make this amazing house your home.